Okay, here we have another exponential equation. This one being a little bit trickier than the previous ones that we've worked on. I'm still going to solve this using logarithms. So I'm just going to take the log of both sides right away. Great. So I have log of 3 times 5x minus 1 equals log of 8 to the power of x plus 1. So actually I won't leave that without brackets. Change my mind. One big mistake commonly done in a question like this would be to just right away bring down the exponent. We can't do that right now. Why is that? Because of the 3. Before I can bring down the exponent, I need to split this up into log 3 plus log 5 to the power of x minus 1 equals the log of 8 to the power of x plus 1. Now we can actually bring down the exponent. And here as well. And multiply the exponents by the logs. So I have log 3 plus x minus 1 times log 5 equals x plus 1 times log 8. Great. Now what do? I can actually just distribute the log 5 and the log 8. So we're going to have log 3 plus x log 5 minus log 5. Why is that? Because log 5 times negative 1 is negative log 5. Over here, log 8 times x is just x log 8. Log 8 times 1 is just log 8. Great. Now I want all elements without an x on the left-hand side of the equation, and all elements with an x on the the right-hand side of the equation. So let's just subtract the x log 8 here. Okay. So those cancel out. And from both sides, I will, well, you know what? That was barely a straight line. It's a little better. And then I'll bring over the log 3 and the log 5 over to the right-hand side by subtracting log 3 from both sides and adding a log 5. Well, what a mess. Got rid of those. What else? Got rid of those. Then we have x log 5 minus x log 8. Wow, what a mess. Hope that everyone's getting it. So I got log 8 minus log 3 plus log 5. Great. Now because we want to solve for x, I'm just going to actually factor out an x over here. So x log 5 divided by x is just log 5. And negative x log 8 divided by x is just negative log 8. Over here, I'm actually just going to combine all of these and have just the log of 8 divided by 3, right? Because we're subtracting logs. When we subtract the logs, we can just divide the contents. So 8 over 3 plus log 5, so I can just multiply the 5 by 8 over 3. So we're going to get 40 over 3. Does that make sense? Because we're going to get 8 over 3, right? Because log 8 minus log 3 plus log 5. So we're just multiplying 8 times 5, 40 over 3. Hopefully that makes good sense to everyone. And over here, now we can actually just divide both sides by log 5 minus log 8. Log 5 minus log 8. Then we got x already isolated. And that'll be it. But I'm going to simplify this a little bit more. We already have the answer, but I'll keep going a little bit. Log 5 minus log 8 is actually log 5 over 8, right? We can just divide the contents of the log once we subtract. And finally, I can take one more step if I want to be a bit of a perfectionist, and I can just write this as log 40 over 3, and the base is 5 over 8. That's it. Hopefully that makes good sense. Of course, we could have plugged it into the calculator at this step right here, if that's what we wanted to do to find the value. So that's it, and well, good luck with logs.